There has been a lot of confusion around APIs and web services. Can you clear the concepts?
An API or application programming interface is an interface that helps to communicate between two different applications. It is kind of like a bridge that lets different software systems talk to each other.
What exactly is a web service then?
The difference between a web service and an API is very subtle and they're often used interchangeably. Simply put, a web service is a service or resource that is made available over the internet. Remember this, all web services are APIs, but not all APIs are web services. To remember this, think of it like this. All tigers are cats, but not all cats are tigers.
I'm still a bit confused.
Think of APIs like the tool in your toolbox. Some of these tools can be used on their own, like a screwdriver to tighten a screw or using a wrench to hold a bolt. A web service is like a specific tool that is designed to be used over the internet. Think of it like a cell phone charger. It is a tool that only works when it is plugged into a power source. Just as the charger uses electricity to power up your phone, web service uses the internet to enable different software systems to interact and share data.
So web services require a network because they operate over the internet.
Exactly. While APIs can be online or offline, web services must use a network.
But why do we need these APIs or web services, especially in places like Salesforce?
API can be used for interacting with operating systems, libraries, and hardware devices. When you write a code in Salesforce, you're often using APIs provided by Salesforce. Like when you are importing packages or use system classes, these APIs allow your code to interact with Salesforce built-in features. For instance, you directly use system.debug to debug your code instead of worrying about the underlying system classes. It is a practical use of an API. The same goes for exception classes. Another example is the wire service in LWC. We simply put an import statement to use wire in LWC to utilize its functionality. But behind the scenes, there is an API that facilitates this ease of use.
How does a web service fit in this scenario?
For web services, imagine you want to set up a meeting in Zoom directly from Salesforce. You would use Zoom's web service to facilitate communication between Salesforce and Zoom system over the internet.
It sounds complicated.
It might seem complicated at first, but just remember, when an API is used over the web, it becomes a web service. API is a broader concept that includes web service, but is not limited to them. For example, you can use Google Translator over the web to convert Hindi text into English. Essentially, you are using Google Translator's web service to translate your text into another language over the internet.
Can you tell me what is the need for an API?
Let's take a fun example to understand the use of API. Imagine you are in Germany where popular YouTuber Dhruv Rathi lives.
नमस्कार दोस्तों.
And you only speak English and Hindi while locals speak German. Now if you want to ask for Dhruv Rathi's address, you would need a translator so you both can communicate to each other. Similarly, without API, how would different systems built in different ways communicate? That's where API comes into picture.
That was a fun example. What are the types of web services?
The SOAP API and REST API are considered both web services and APIs since they define a set of features accessible over the web. Let's understand SOAP API with a simple example. SOAP is like ordering a preset meal at McDonald's. You get what's defined and it's very structured. It uses a specific protocol like a strict recipe. Now, when we talk about REST API, it's like a buffet. So basically, where you can choose what you want. It's flexible and use web standards. Here you have the freedom to choose exactly what you want. So it's a brief overview about SOAP and REST. We will be discussing more in the upcoming videos.
Wow, I hope this clarifies the differences between web services and APIs for everyone. Can learning be more fun? If you like the video and it clears your concepts, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn, subscribe to my channel, follow my blog SFDC Amplified.